In today's video, I'm going to teach you using the Close Polygon Hole tool. This is a quick, reliable way to patch gaps in your mesh while keeping control over the topology. By the end, you'll know how to fill a single opening cleanly, close multiple holes efficiently, and take manual control when you need a very specific shape. Start by switching to polygon mode so the tool knows you're working with faces rather than points or edges. Then select the Close Polygon Hole tool from the toolbar or use the M then D shortcut, depending on how your layout is configured. Before you click anything in the viewport, open the tool's settings and choose Grid. Grid creates a structured, grid-based fill that's especially useful for larger or more regular openings, because it tries to distribute polygons evenly and maintain a predictable flow. With the tool active, hover your cursor over the edge loop surrounding the hole. When the loop highlights, click once to fill it. If the preview doesn't look right, adjust the tool's settings and try again. It's a good idea to orbit around the model and check the new polygons from multiple angles to make sure the surface is smooth, normals are consistent, and the fill follows the surrounding curvature. If you see any shading artifacts, a quick check of your mesh display can help confirm whether the new faces are n-gons or neatly divided into quads, and you can refine the settings as needed. If you're dealing with multiple holes, you can speed things up by combining the Optimize and Close Polygon Hole tools. First, select all points and run the Optimize command. This cleans up by welding overlapping points and removing tiny gaps that can interfere with clean fills. Then return to the Close Polygon Hole tool and click the edges of each remaining hole to close them quickly. This workflow reduces the chance of stray geometry causing messy results, and it's great for prepping scanned or imported meshes. When you need precise control over the shape of the fill, switch to a manual approach. Use the Polygon Pen tool to draw new polygons by clicking points one by one, matching the surrounding edge flow and maintaining even spacing. For cases where you want to connect two open edge loops directly, the Bridge tool lets you span them with a new strip of polygons, giving you full control over how the loops pair up. Keep an eye on topology, aiming for clean quads and consistent edge direction. That's it. Use Grid for fast, clean fills, optimize for multiple holes, and Polygon Pen or Bridge when you need custom control.